unidirectional system. Basically, dimensions are having, let's have a look at how dimension looks like. Basics of dimensioning. A dimension consists of this would be considered as extension line, this line would be extended from the exact dimension to the entities. This would considered as dimension line. These are the closed field arrows. Closed field arrows, and this is considered as dimension value. Extension line shows the distance between two objects. Dimension line shows the proper dimension. Closed field arrows denotes distance between two lines, and dimension value is the proper value of the dimension. Now we'll see how this unidirectional and aligned method works. First of all, we are looking at the aligned method, unidirectional method. This is called extension line. I am just extending the extension line. Now what I am going to draw is called dimension line, but in unidirectional method, dimension line would be break in the middle like this. Closed field arrow on both the side. Dimension value will be written in the break space. This is horizontal dimension. Now let's see how we can give the vertical dimension. Again, two extension line. Break in the dimension line. Closed field arrow on both the side. The dimension should be visible from the front side itself. Again, a horizontal dimension. Extension line. Dimension line break in the middle. Dimension value put in the break. Closed field arrows are very much important. Now let's see how we can give the aligned dimension. dimension line should be parallel to the aligned line, close filled arrow on both the side, but the dimension should be visible from the front side itself. How we can give the dimension to the circle? This is a dimension line, close filled arrow on both the side shows that its diameter, now in which extension line would be extended outside, and dimension has been written. This phi shows the diameter. So this is how unidirectional system works. As you can see that all the dimension can be visible from the front side itself. You don't need to turn the drawing. You can see it from the front side itself. Now let's have a look at the aligned dimension system, and then we will compare between both the dimension system so that you can be very much sure about this dimension system, and when this question asked in the exam you can draw properly. Again, extension line will come. Here comes the difference. In unidirectional system, the dimension line was break in the middle, but in align method, dimension line would be continuous. Close filled arrow again will come. Dimension will be written in middle of the dimension line, but above the dimension line, like this. This is horizontal dimension. Now let's have a look at the vertical dimension. Continuous dimension line, dimension above dimension line, but the written dimension should be parallel to the line. Same way on another side of vertical. As I said, dimension should be above dimension line. That's why dimension is written over here, not on this side. Dimension would be above dimension line. That's why. Above dimension line, in middle of the dimension line. How we can give this aligned dimension? Dimension line parallel, and dimension should be also written parallel to it. How we can give the circle dimension? Again, it's same manner, but difference is over here. Dimension is written on the extension line. Now we have got individually both the dimension system. Now we'll compare. Now we have got both same reference sketch. We have got unidirectional system and we have got aligned system. Now let's see horizontal dimension. Both have extension line, both have closed field arrow on both the side. Difference comes here. This dimension line break in the middle. This dimension line is continuous. Dimension written in the break, dimension written above dimension line but in the middle portion. Let's see vertical dimension. Extension line on both side, closed field arrow on both side. Dimension can be seen from the front side itself, whereas if we want to look at this aligned dimension, we need to turn the drawing. Now again same way horizontal, again vertical. Dimension should be written above dimension line in align method, whereas dimension would be same, it would be written in the break line. About the align, dimension line would be break in the middle. Dimension can be visible from the front side itself, whereas over here dimension is above dimension line but to the parallel to the line. For the circle, closed field arrow on both the side, dimension written beside the extension line, dimension written above the extension line. So this is the clear visible difference between the two dimensioning system. Dimensioning is very much important, so that you need to be very much punctual using the unidirectional or aligned system. If in the exam it has been asked to take the dimension using unidirectional, then you need to use this method. If it has been asked that you need to take the dimension using align method, then you choose this. In industry, unidirectional system most often use, because all the dimension can visibly from the front side itself, so drawing turning is not required at all. Now we will see usage of the type of lines. We will see usage of the type of line. I will draw a reference sketch. I'll draw a reference sketch. This line is continuous line. This one long dash, a short dash, long dash, short dash. This line is called a center line. Evenly spaced dash are called hidden line. Basically in this, three lines have been covered. One long dash, a short dash, long dash, short dash. considered as center line. The outer body line is considered as continuous line, and this continuous dashed line is considered as hidden line. Now you can see the clear visible difference. You can use the center line to take any sort of center of a body. Continuous line would be body of any object. Hidden line can be used where the object cannot be visible from the side itself, but it is behind the object, so over that place we can use the hidden line. Now there is remaining two lines called zigzag line. Let's see that we are having a shaft of 2 kilometers and having a same diameter throughout 2 kilometers, but we cannot represent that into a paper. So what we can do, we can give it a graphical representation like this. It is called zigzag line. It is a graphical representation. Now after giving this graphical representation, you can give the dimension that this line is of 2 kilometer as well. So this is how various different kind of line can be described with use of the sketch. That is the end of the part 1 of paper solution, July 2009 engineering drawing. Thank you very much. See you soon.